And fasten that seatbelt, y'all, because we are about to go on a weather roller coaster ride. Abigail is talking about a temperature drop, quite the drop.
Yes, it's a big one, and it's not really going to impact us today, but as we roll into your weekend, we're going to see what this cold front can really do. As it approaches the valley, it's right about here. It will pass through overnight. Once again, we're not feeling the impacts today. We are reaching the 80s for your daytime high, but as you can see, it is on track to go through the valley. Currently out there, it is beautiful, a little on the muggy side. Once again, looking to reach the 80s for your day ahead. Most of us already in the upper 70s. Some cooler spots off to our south, 77 Decatur, Athens 76, and our cooler spot, Coleman and Albertville at 73. So for your day ahead, you may also need to pack a windbreaker because those winds are going to start to pick up as this front approaches going into the evening as well. But pushing in warmer air, as you can see, the 80s for your day ahead. We do start to cool off and clouds do begin to build up as this system moves in right around the 4 o'clock hour. If you're off to our northwest, you're just going to see a line of clouds start to move on in as that front approaches, bringing with it a slight chance of rain for your overnight hours into your early Friday morning, but it's looking sunny and mild for your day and your afternoon ahead. Going into Friday, look at that big temperature difference. 80 degrees today, almost a 20-degree difference as we go into Friday. That's one of the many impacts that we're seeing with this front as it moves through. And as we go into Friday and Saturday, we're going to be talking about a possible frost, the first one of the season. I hope you're ready for it. And as we go into the weekend, we do recover and get back into the 70s rolling into your work week, but that is a big dip that is heading for us as we go into the next 48 hours. Moving along to the hour by hour, we're going to see this front move on in from the northwest. Temperatures in the 80s for your afternoon. You'll see those winds peak up periodically as we go throughout your day ahead, but this is when we're going to start to see that line of clouds move in, not really impacting you for your lunch hour drive or your drive home, but as we go into the overnight hours, you're going to start to see a few flecks of rain. Not really much to talk about. We just do have a slight chance of some rain for the overnight hours. And going into your Friday, we're going to see those temperatures drop into the 50s. Not talking about that frost just yet, but those winds as we go out tonight, they will start to gust. Right now they are giving us warm air, but they're going to switch coming from the north as we go into the evening hours. So that's something to keep in mind, especially if you're waking up early on Friday. Those winds will pack a little bit of a punch to them, and they will be on the chilly side. So they're going to help drop our temperature dramatically as we go into your Friday afternoon as well. So as we go into your next couple of days, we're feeling the impacts of this cold front moving in overnight, bringing that slight chance of precipitation going into your early Friday morning. That clears out though, giving us sunny skies, but a little on the cooler side, looking at the lower 60s for your daytime. So you're going to need to pack that jacket. And going into Saturday, it is a slow recovery. We're still seeing that sun shine, but we're in the upper 60s. We're not going to get back to average until we start rolling into Monday. So for the next 3 days, here's what you can expect. You're going to need that jacket for tonight, for Friday night football as well. Maybe even pack a blanket, some hot cocoa, because you are definitely going to use it.